How you guys doing? Have another video for you guys today. This one's going to be a little different and unique than my previous videos. A little more in depth about what we carry as far as clutches go. Some people ask me all the time, like the company work for, what do you guys sell? This video is going to touch more on predominantly what we sell and what we do here. So what I want to do is, I know if you guys go back and look at my other videos, I go over the clutches and the pressure plates quite frequently. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with what we actually carry for the brand, and then we'll go into that towards the end of the video. So here, as you can see, we got different brands. We got Vallejo, Sachs, Exity. We have Luke. We also carry Eisen as well. We also carry these type racing kits right here that are really expensive. We also, I'm trying to figure out what else. We have the racing kit Exity. We have the regular OE Exity kits as well.
And we have Fidanza too.
Yeah, and then we have the Fidanza Flywheels, which is the aluminum setup, which I'm going to go into that a little later when I go back into the detail. So as you can see, I'm just going to go from here to here, guys. So as you can see, this is going to be the different orientation of disc that we do carry. The 6-puck, the stage 3, we do carry it unsprung and rigid. As you can see here, we also carry the sprung version here. This is going to be like your OE style replacement, which has the hub sprung on it. This one here is going to be the Kevlar setup with the front. This is for those people who are, build track cars or build drive enthusiasts. They're trying to get the more out of the car. That right there is the copper ceramic. This is not the dual friction. I know we do sell a disc like that. This is the similar to this, but this is more drivability function because it's not a puck. It's not as aggressive, but you still get the ceramic material on both sides, so you can use it depending on your driving preference. Some people don't like the real aggressive. Some people go with this because of the full face is not as bad. Okay, and then as far as back to the OE style setup, we do carry all sorts of flywheels. This is going to be the dual masters of OE. Most cars who carry dual mass flywheels, this will be the OE setup for that. Same thing with the CAS and ST. These are OE because of the weight and the manufacturer requires these to be ran into the vehicle. As far as the pressure plates we carry all sorts. We have this is going to be your pull type. Okay, this is going to be the self-adjusting type, and then we're going to have the standard push type. These two are pretty much our OE style. I mean, this is OE as well. We carry the aftermarket setups. Again, with these particular pressure plates, especially with these, we sell high performance discs you can use with these too. So people think that if you have a self-adjusting or a pull type, you can't run an aggressive disc. You can. We manufacture it so that we can do that. And then keep it on the flywheels. Here we have our chromoly setup, and then we have our aluminum setup. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys are asking questions. We did post videos. We are the only clutch company that does carry very unique pieces that no one else in the world has. Our chromoly flywheel is one. We also in-house do self-adjusting pressure plates, which is really big because major companies like Luke and Sachs and Eisen do self-adjusting, but we have our own here in the house, which means you can save money going with our route versus their route. Also, I didn't touch on this very much. This is a racing twin disc setup, okay? This is for you people who Supras, R34s, Mustangs, Camaros, who track it the quarter mile. This is what you want to go with. So if you have any questions about any of these setups, brands that we carry that I did not mention, and you want to know about them, just go ahead and send us a message down low. And also, I've been mentioning in other videos, you can send a message on Instagram and YouTube. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. So any questions, comments, send us a message. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you.